It's one of those days you just don't want to end. Temperatures between 40 and 50 for many across our viewing area. And there goes the sun, creating another fantastic sunset in the Devil's Lake area. Now let's talk about what we need to be concerned about for anyone wanting to travel, particularly on Wednesday. Overnight changes begin, and by the morning we'll have gusts everywhere with that potential for 40-mile-per-hour or better gusts across the Red River Valley throughout the day. So we will all experience a gusty north wind. Some of us will have snow showers between 7 a.m. and noon or so is when the best chance of those snow showers will be, moving northwest to southeast through our region. Not all of us are going to see it, and in fact there could be some reduced visibility at times, some icy spots on roads. There might be a half inch up north, but most of us will see a dusting here in the Southern Valley. Current conditions at Hector International at the close of a terrific Tuesday. 35 cooling off quickly at Hector, 41 at Moorhead's Airport after a 48-degree day at Hector for the high. Winds south-southeast only 6 miles per hour. Still 43 in Fergus Falls. You had 54 there today. Lovely in Alexandria still. Low to mid-30s along most of our northern tier as north winds are getting ready to move in. Now the satellite shows a batch of clouds moving over us. This will keep us from getting too cold too quickly, but here's what we're watching. Some snow developing in the northern and central Rockies heading our way. When does it get here? Well, not this evening. Get out and enjoy. Temperatures will be in the 30s for most of us. We will see our batch of clouds exit off to the east, and then the wind becomes northerly overnight and we'll start cooling off into the 20s for most areas. Gusts will be here first thing in the morning. Snowflakes will be here mainly on a line from the Devil's Lake Basin into northwest Minnesota as we begin the day. So here's the area where we'll have the best chance at some snow showers first thing in the morning. And again, with winds like this, it could be briefly reducing visibilities or creating some icy spots in the roads. If we're going to get accumulations, again, the best shot will be near the international border. Our model is just simply not too robust on the amount of snow. And I believe this model to be the best because this north wind coming in is going to be super dry. Not going to have a lot of moisture to work with. So we're not going to expect a lot of snow from this. Look at the wind arrows. They just keep on blowing. Gusts over 40 miles per hour throughout the day. Then our attention turns to the cold. Hutch will remind you once again, throw that survival kit in the back of the car. Mine has blankets for everybody, and I even like to throw some candy bars with nuts in there, just in case you get stuck on the side of the road for any period of time. Check out these cold temperatures in the afternoon. Wind chills below zero in the Northern Valley, near zero elsewhere. It's going to be just brutally cold into the overnight and into the morning. Check this out. I pause this at 10 o'clock at night Wednesday as we head into your Thanksgiving day. Wind chills between 5 and 15 below up in northeast North Dakota. Mid-20s to start your day in Fargo. We don't rise nearly at all. Cloudy skies. We may see a flake or two of snow with those gusty north winds between 20 and 40 miles per hour throughout the afternoon. Then we're dropping it like a 2-ton heavy thing into the teens. Teens up north in the 4 o'clock hour. A snapshot shows it'll be cold out there, windy for all locations, gusts to 40 miles per hour for many. Another lovely shot. Virginia, thanks so much for sharing this. Mackville, that sky is indeed on fire. Planning forecast. After a blustery, windy, cold day with limited visibility on Wednesday, Thanksgiving will be cold as well. We'll call it chilly and crisp. Friday, we start improving. Can't rule out some sprinkles into Saturday. A few showers of rain or snow, depending on the timing. Next week, we're back to 45 degrees, so we're not done with this beautiful weather. I see a fair amount of opportunities for us to have temperatures over 35 degrees the next few days.
Feeling a little festive with the holidays to come?
I am, and hungry.
And hungry.
Yes.
Well, I'm glad you said yes to the first question, and the hunger thing you can take care of on your